Welcome to another trade of the day here at TraderTV.Live. Nanoviricides, what an absolute mess this morning. There was an early release, which was leaked. So it wasn't supposed to be coming out until the 28th. It was leaked. That information was not discredited. It is possible, but it's going to be restated. But it did cause a lot of commotion because there was a rather lengthy halt, as you'll be able to see here. This was seeming like a normal gap up, consolidation lower. It broke the high, and I was into a short position as it was falling off. And we just got in a couple of times on this consolidation off the break of the low, and then the halt came in. Now, you know, the entire time, there's not much you can do in this particular situation. I said my game plan, almost as always, was going to be that no matter where it opened, I was going to cover half of my position and see if we couldn't let the rest ride. So you are going to see me, unfortunately, cover half the position. It opened up as a very, very small win. It then ended up flushing into the downside. Thankfully, it did hold a pre-market level where I got almost all of it out. I held the last 10%, and then the jailbreak was on. And I think because this news, is going to be re-released on the 28th, and it was positive in general, there was a risk-off element that came in. I think there were shorts that might have got caught in this particular situation. We did get a stop out here, and then a jailbreak long on a halt up. In this particular case, you're able to catch that long well beneath the pre-market high there. So you're well in front of that support level, which I loved, and that's one of the reasons I went into the long. The only bad thing is I scalped a little bit into the halt because I actually had too many shares, so I did take a little bit off there, like a third, just to see if we could have a little bit less. It then looked so good on the reopen. I mean, instantly, and this is all in a 1-minute candle, guys. Instantly, I'm able to get some out when we open in the 570s, the 580s. And then it tests up to 6 even, dips back down. I love the reload because of all the strength I saw immediately in front of 550. I jam back in some shares at 566. It retests 6 even a second time. And this is where I completely bungled the trade. There's two things we should have done here. One, if I'm going to have a break-even stop, which I shouldn't have done, I should have given it all the way back to the previous halt price. But if I'm going to have a break-even stop, then I should simply be taking the 6 even break, right? It's one or the other. If I'm going to have that tight of a stop, I should be more aggressive to get back in. I don't do that and miss out the entire upside. And then the coup de grace. I had the top twice, 3 times I should say, stopped out, got back in, had the winner, reloaded, looked like we're grinding right back down to this retracement, and then got wicked out again. And at that particular time, I stepped away from like, what is going on with my read on this stock? I didn't want to get chopped around. You're going to see it absolutely flush. But the key thing here is, once you look at that jailbreak long, I love those opportunities for a high probability event on that volume to be able to take more shares in the long side and then just get it all out in that initial inertia that pushed it up. Should we have held? 100% I should have held that trade. There's no question about it. Certainly could have done better on the short. I'd love to know how people did on Nnvc today because I don't know if there was a better opportunity later on in the session. After that halt came in, man, were there big moves. Drop it in the comment section below. As always, check us out every single morning at lunchtime and again at the close for Power Hour at Trader TV Live. See you in the markets.